Here you can see the Blur app preview. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. How you can enable Blur app preview in your mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. This is the demo application and I will blur the app preview of this application. You can see the preview is not blurred. Now let's blur the preview. Go to phone setting and follow me. Select the app to blur the preview. From here, enable this option. As you can see here, the application preview is blurry. For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.